Hello YouTube, and today we will take a look at the Samsung protective standing cover for the Galaxy S21 slash S21 5G, and I got in this nice phantom silver color, and you can see here it says Samsung on the front of the box. On the back there's not really anything interesting, just a bunch of information about environment stuff. And opening it is fairly easy. It just has an arrow here, you kind of pull on it and boom, that's about it for opening it. Alright, so you have the instructions here. Now let's just pop it out like this actually. Alright, so it's always good to look at the instructions, though it doesn't matter much. And I cannot read any of this. We don't need that. Okay, and this is like the world's tiniest writing, and none of this is English. Nothing here is... oh, here we go. On this side, there's some English, and it just says your consumer rights, blah blah blah. Remove it before using wireless power share, blah blah blah. It's sorted up and then down. Cleaned area. So we have our phone here, the case, and we're just going to install it. As was shown in the image, is kind of a tight fit. Wow, okay. There we go. And here's the case. Wow, it contrasts pretty well with the gray color. And it gives a nice textured grip on the sides and the bottom. Anyway, we cut it for your two microphones. And of course your buttons and your volume rocker. And the main reason to even get this case, for me anyway, is this cool kickstand, so you can lie like this. You know, this angle I got this case from my S10 as well, and I never really... okay, so I never really used this angle. It's a smaller of the two anyway. For me, this is the one that was more useful. The angle is more 90 degree on this one, as you can see the difference there, because it's a longer, it's a longer kickstand. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a pretty heavy duty case. It'll protect your phone from scratches and medium level drops. It has a bit of a lip as well on the front, and the color is quite nice actually. I would recommend this if you don't really want a black case and just want a nice, something that pops a little. It looks quite nice. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching.